guys, authentic Irish American food. So here's a look at it. This is what we're having tonight. Scotch eggs, Braddy's chicken wings, Finnegan favorites. That's one side of the menu. Okay, and soups and salads. As you notice, there's no prices on here. It always makes me nervous. Maybe we can get them to turn the music up more. Okay, guys. Okay, yeah, I thought this was going to be a boring video. This was the most exciting food we've had on the whole trip that I've had in years. I heard the beverages, some of the people who got adult beverages said it was amazing. Every plate, the Reubens were good. The Scotch eggs were good. The fish and chips were good. Everything, the shepherd's pie was amazing. And like the potatoes didn't taste the same on everybody's plate. The potatoes taste different on every dish. These guys rocked it. This is such a secret that we will definitely be back next year. I highly recommend it. If you guys never been here, come here. Is it called Finnegan's? Finnegan's. It's called Finnegan's. Okay? And as you can see behind me, it's not crowded. And the parade just let out. So you would think this place would be packed. It's super roomy, super comfortable, and the server will tell you what he likes and what he thinks is best. And just follow his instruction, okay? I absolutely give this place an A+. I can't say it enough. Here's just a quick shot of everything that was ordered.